To the big news coming in right now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to start Nari Shakti outreach on his birthday. Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Madhya Pradesh and he will be launching many schemes, especially health schemes for women and kids. There will be mega health campaigns that will be launched tomorrow. Remember, it's his birthday and he will be in Madhya Pradesh. Prime Minister will launch the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar. On also 8th Rashtriya Poshan Mah. These are the campaigns that he will be launching. And joining us from Bhopal right now is India Today's Ravish Pal Singh. Ravish, tell us what are the plans for Prime Minister's birthday there? Also, every year we've seen that Prime Minister launches some unique schemes. So what is the plan this time?
See, this is going to be the second time in 3 years when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Madhya Pradesh on his birthday. In 2022, September 2022, Prime Minister Modi has released Cheetah during the Intercontinental Translocation Project Cheetah at Kuno in Madhya Pradesh. Now, this is going to be the second time on his birthday when Prime Minister Modi will be in Madhya Pradesh. Also with that mission, the health mission, Prime Minister is going to lay a foundation stone for his dream project, the PM Mitra Park. Now what is this PM Mitra Park? The PM Mitra Park is a mega textile region. It's a mega textile region where farmers will come with their cotton produce, and not only from farming. There will be a special zone, a special economic zone, the PM Mitra Park, where the farmers will not only give their produce directly to the companies, but also these companies will make apparels from these cotton, and they will transport all the, they will export all the products going to be made here. So this strategically, the location have been decided by the central ministries, because Dhar and nearby districts and areas have large number of farmers who do cotton farming, and this will not only boost their economy but will also give employment to lakhs of people in Malwa and Nimad region. So this is going to be a big day for Madhya Pradesh, and this is going to be the second big reason why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has chosen Dhar to celebrate his birthday.
Right. Thank you, Ravish, for all those details. So, big day tomorrow, Prime Minister's birthday, and he will be launching many schemes, especially targeted at women in Madhya Pradesh.